Hello my dear students, welcome once again to our online class. In our previous class, we have discussed about food preservation, and in food preservation, we have discussed about the chemical method of food preservation by using certain chemicals and preservation by common salt, sugar, oil and vinegar also. We have also discussed about the process of pasteurization. Now let us come to the next topic of our chapter, that is nitrogen fixation. So what do you mean by the term nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen fixation means fixing of nitrogen. You have learnt about the bacterium rhizobium in class 6 and 7th. It is involved in the fixation of nitrogen in leguminous plants. Recall that rhizobium lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants such as beans and peas, with which it has a symbiotic relationship. You have already learnt about the term symbiotic relationship in your class 7th. So do you remember what is symbiotic relationship? Symbiotic relationship, some organisms live together and share shelter and nutrient, and this is called symbiotic relationship. So here the bacterium rhizobium and the leguminous plants, they both are in symbiotic relationship. That means the bacterium rhizobium, they cannot make their own food, so for food and shelter they depend on the leguminous plants. So they take shelter on the root nodules of the leguminous plants, and they help the leguminous plants to provide nitrogen. As you know, plants are not able to use nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. So this bacterium rhizobium, that takes atmospheric nitrogen and convert into nitrogenous compound, and these nitrogenous compounds are further utilized by the leguminous plants. So this is all about the symbiotic relationship between rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plants. Sometimes nitrogen get fixed through the action of lightning also. But you know that the amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains constant. So you may wonder how. Let us understand this in this next section. So कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, नाइट्रोजन गैस दे फिक्स्ड बाय द एक्शन ऑफ लाइटनिंग की वजह से भी नाइट्रोजन फिक्स हो जाता है, और राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया भी उसको नाइट्रोजन को फिक्स करता है, और जो कि है जिसको कि फर्दर यूटिलाइज करते हैं प्लांट्स. बट द अमाउंट ऑफ नाइट्रोजन in the atmosphere remains constant. So how is it possible? Let us discuss about it through nitrogen cycle. So now come to the next topic of our chapter, nitrogen cycle. Our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is one of the essential constituent of all living organism as part of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. The atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. Certain bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into compounds of nitrogen. Once nitrogen is converted into this usable compound, it can be utilized by the plants from the soil through their root system. Nitrogen is then used for the synthesis of plant protein and other compounds. Animals feeding on plants and get these proteins and other nitrogen compounds. When plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compound to be used by plants again. Certain bacteria convert some of the part of the nitrogen gas which goes back into the atmosphere. As a result, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. So this is all about nitrogen cycle, just like water cycle. जैसे कि तुम लोगों को पता है वाटर साइकिल, इन ए साइक्लिक ऑर्डर वाटर जो कि दैट चेंज फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. बिल्कुल वैसे ही नाइट्रोजन साइकिल में नाइट्रोजन साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में कन्वर्ट होता है नाइट्रोजन गैस से नाइट्रोजनियस प्रोडक्ट में, और वो जो कि है उसका परसेंटेज जो कि है कांस्टेंट रहता है. सो This is all about nitrogen cycle. You can easily understand nitrogen cycle through this diagram. So let us discuss about it. So atmospheric nitrogen, let us start from the top, that is atmospheric nitrogen. So atmospheric nitrogen that convert into compound of nitrogen directly by the lightning. During lightning it fixes nitrogen and convert into nitrogenous compound, and directly it comes to the soil. And another way, that is nitrogen fixing bacteria and some blue green algae, they fix the nitrogen gas from the atmosphere and they turn into nitrogenous compounds, and these nitrogenous compounds goes into the soil. Then here this is about the first part of the atmospheric nitrogen, that means atmospheric nitrogen, from atmosphere it comes to the soil in the form of nitrogenous compound. Then from the soil, the compounds of nitrogen, these are used by uptake by plants, that means it is used by plants. From plants, animal eat the plants, so from plants the compounds of nitrogen goes to animals. Then from animals जो कि है nitrogenous waste from excretion and death. So when animal excrete, the nitrogenous compound again go to the soil, and when the एनिमल डेथ, मतलब एनिमल का जब डेथ हो जाता है, उसका बॉडी जब सॉइल में आता है तो उसके अंदर जो कि नाइट्रोजनस कंपाउंड होता है वो भी सॉइल में आ जाता है. तो नेक्स्ट एक साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में कंपाउंड्स ऑफ सॉइल, कंपाउंड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन सॉइल में अगेन आ जाता है. देन बैक्टीरिया टर्न्स कंपाउंड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इनटू गैसियस नाइट्रोजन एंड डायरेक्टली इट गोज टू द एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन. सो ये एक साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में होता है, जिसके वजह से क्या होता है, एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन जो होता है उसका जो परसेंटेज 78% वो एक कांस्टेंट रहता है. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट नाइट्रोजन साइकिल. आई होप you all clear about nitrogen cycle and also clear about this chapter. If you have any doubt, you may ask me. Now let us discuss some short question from this chapter. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a DAX. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a microscope. Blue-green algae fix DAX directly from air to enhance fertility of the soil. The answer is nitrogen. Alcohol is produced with the help of DAX. Alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. Cholera is caused by DAX. Cholera is caused by microorganism bacteria. Next, tick the correct answer. Yeast is used in the production of sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid and oxygen. The answer is alcohol. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. Number B. The following is an antibiotic. Option 1, sodium bicarbonate. 2, streptomycin. 3, alcohol. 4, yeast. So the answer is streptomycin. That is example of a antibiotic. Carrier of malaria causing protozoa: female Anopheles mosquito, housefly, cockroach and butterfly. The answer is female Anopheles mosquito. The most common carrier of communicable disease is ant, housefly, dragonfly, spider. The answer is housefly. The bread or idli rises because of heat, grinding, growth of yeast cell, kneading. Answer is growth of yeast cell. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. Next, number 3, match the organism in column A with their action in column B. So in column A, bacteria, that answer is causing cholera. Rhizobium, answer is fixing nitrogen. Lactobacillus, answer is setting up cord. Yeast is answer is baking of bread. A protozoan causing malaria. A virus causing AIDS. And producing antibodies, जो option G है, that is extra option. So this is all about the short question in your exercise. and you have to read thoroughly this chapter and write the exercise questions from number 1 to number 9 in your science copy. So students, this is all about today. See you in your next class. Thank you.